What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode of Preserving the Sexy, I am coming to you with a new product that was sent to me from a company called Deminuage. Thank you so much for sending me out this product to try. It's a fun product. I was super excited about it. So basically, what is this company selling? So Deminuage has a product called a Nano Pen, and this is really on trend right now. We've got like the micro needling little trend that's going on right now. Everybody's obsessed with it, and this is kind of like an innovative addition to the market. Now, if you have never tried microneedling, you don't know what it is. Essentially, microneedling is a controlled form of injury to the skin. It uses a roller that has these really small, fine needles that penetrate your skin on a deeper level to basically signal your skin to produce more collagen and produce more elastin, so your skin becomes a little bit more firmer, a little more taut. It's also thought to help with hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, and fine lines and wrinkles. So if you've never tried microneedling before, it is not the most comfortable thing to experience. That's one of the cons of microneedling. That's why I don't personally do microneedling anymore, because I'm like, this is too much pain for me, because there's different millimeters and with the needles. Some are very fine, some go really deep into the skin, and sometimes that creates a little bit of irritation, a little bit of redness, some blood. I mean, it's doing what it needs to do, but for me personally, that's a little bit too much trauma for me. That's why I'm very excited to be showing you the Deminuage Nano Pen, because it is still a form of microneedling but on a finer scale. The little nano chip is made of a monocrystalline silicone, which is a very strong, durable, chip. And the little needles on here are about 1,000 times finer than a hair strand. So you're going to feel literally no pain, no irritation, but still getting those benefits of microneedling. Now, the main difference between the Nano Pen and regular microneedling devices is the Nano Pen only penetrates the skin at the surface level. Now, at first thought, you're like, well, that's not really helping me any. Why do I want something that doesn't go as deep? The main benefit of this, creating the nano chip creates the micro channels in your skin to allow your products to penetrate a little bit deeper into the skin. So while it doesn't go as deep as the other microneedling devices, it allows your products to do what they need to do a little bit better and a little more effectively. So in a roundabout way, you're still getting those results with the fine lines and the pigmentation and acne scarring, and boosting the moisture levels of your skin. It's just opening up your skin, allowing your products to be more efficient. And that's why I love. So before I was rudely interrupted by my mic dying, let's get right into the review or the unboxing of this kit. So the particular kit that I have in this video is the anti-aging repair kit. There's also two other kits with the pen that I have in this video. There's also another pen which I'll touch on in a little bit, and they have two different kits for that. So in this particular kit, you are going to get the nano booster chips, and according to the website, this is a chip that you use twice a week in place of the daily nano chips. And with this chip, it will allow for a deeper absorption of your serum. Now, if you wanted just something for every day, they've got you covered. So you've got the daily nano chip. And again, according to the website, you can use this every day. This is just like a basic absorption of your serum to make your facials and your products more effective. The last actual product besides the pen that you get in this kit is the brightening serum. And is some really great ingredients in here to brighten up the skin as well as help with your hyperpigmentation. The last piece of this kit is the most important, obviously. It's your Nano Pen Prime. Now there's two pens in the company. There's a Nano Pen Prime, which is the one that I have, and that is your basic battery operated 1-speed pen. Now there's also a Nano Luxe that is a rechargeable pen that has 3 different speeds on it, but both pens you can use the nano tips. You don't really have to change between the two. You also get a little brochure that tells you more about the products and all the pieces in it, how to use them, how often to use them, and some other little tidbits as well. So how do you use this thing? So after you take apart your kit and attach the nano chip to the pen, you're going to break apart your brightening serum nodule and slip the tip on. You can also use any other serum that you have at home. But if you do choose to use the brightening serum, you're in for a treat because it has a lot of potent ingredients to help with pigmentation, fight against free radicals, and moisturize your skin. It's got tranexamic acid in there. It's got sake, niacinamide, and sodium hyaluronate. All of those items together create a very potent, beautiful, yet gentle formula that's going to lighten and brighten your skin and keep it moisturized and protected. Now, in the 30 days that I've been using it, I didn't realistically see any changes in the pigmentation of my skin. And that's not due to it not working, but I just need more time to use it. So I'll probably come back with an update on my results with this pen because it really is so much fun to use, and I'm excited to see what further results I get with the pen. Now, to use the pen, it's pretty much as simple as turning it on and gliding it across your skin. But take your time though, this is like a spa treatment. What I like to do is glide it inward and outward to the outer corners of my face, and I do it in both directions 2 times. And after I'm done, all I do is moisturize, and that's it. You know, I've been trying this out for about 30 days now, and I am fairly happy with the results that I've gotten. You know, in full transparency, aside from the hyperpigmentation, I really don't have a lot of skin issues. The actual skin itself is in decent condition, so I can't speak to a lot of the claims that they're making in terms of like fine lines and wrinkles because I don't have any. The only thing that I can really speak on is how it has boosted, you know, the moisturizing properties of my serums. I do notice that, you know, my skin is a lot plumper. It's a lot more moisturized. It's not as dehydrated. So I do think that this pen works amazingly for that. And I'm pretty sure that it works very well in all the other instances. But like I said, I personally can't attest too much to that. I'm not suffering from those issues. But it's still a pen that I think is definitely worth trying out, you know. If anything, this is something that you can add to your current skincare regimen to boost the efficiency of your serums that you use. So it's definitely worth a try. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. If you have any questions about microneedling or more about the pen in general, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let's kiki. You already know that I love to talk about skincare. And I will talk to you girls later.